Right, boys, me and 𝗦𝗫icious back again. We're going on another little cruise. Last time we went, where did we go last time? Superbike Factory. We're going Brighton because LGBTQ plus HDMI PS5.
To the LGBTQ PS5 HDMI, but like.
But yeah, we're gonna head Brighton. Oh, turn my heated seat on. Oh, that's the guy that was at Boogie Town yesterday, clearing up all the rubbish in the car. Can't do it yet, mate. Mate, no, it's not average speed. It's a fucking red light camera and also a speed camera. They put 2 in 1 now. Yeah. Never used to be one there, mate. It's crazy, isn't it? No, there's loads of little restaurants. Yeah, I had fish and chips last. Well, I had Savoy and battered sausage and chips. Exactly, mate. Exactly that. You like that, innit? Yeah, but that's because they have like a wheelie thing that stops their once their wheels hit a certain degree angle or something. I don't know how it's measured though. Like what sensor? Oh, you know what? Actually, could be a sensor on the bottom of the forks pointing down, so like when it knows how high up off the ground you are. I don't know. Something. It's got to be. I used to bomb it down this road, mate. I kid you not. Like I used to do like 140 in my car, in my ST, mate. I remember once, yeah, I almost got ran off the road by a Land Rover because we all blocked him, me and my mate, because he kept undercutting cars. So we sped up and blocked him in. Mate, he was pissed. Tried running me off the road. I wish I had a dash cam. I forget you're not wearing gear, so I don't want to actually ride too fast. You know, that's why I don't actually enjoy riding fast. Because I think no matter what you're wearing, yeah, it doesn't matter if you have like fucking 8 rated A level fucking levers, yeah, you come off your bike and you go into one of those railings, they're fucking sharp, mate. You're going to get split in half at 140 miles an hour. That's why I'm like, mate, you're going to go to incoming traffic. But it's not that, like, look at the legs of the actual railing. They're only like thin bits of metal, like that will slice you. What's the point? That's why, like, I want to learn how to wheelie, but just do it in a controlled manner, because I'd rather do low speed wheelies and shit like that than fucking high speed. Yeah, do you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to fucking always have to bomb it 140 through traffic to look cool. If I could do a couple of wheelies here and there, get the wheel up, look a bit cool for Instagram, like, it just get views, doesn't it? Yeah, the only thing with the 09 though is because it's so torquey, like, it will just throw it up, like, you know, like, even trying to power wheelie in second, I actually find it really hard because it's like the bike don't want to come up, but I think that's just me. Because I don't want to give it like the full beans and then fucking chuck up the front and then fucking loop. Yeah, it's different, mate. Honestly, it's different. Well, I mean, I don't know if it's different, but because obviously 07, I've never ridden one really. I've never wheelied. But like, even power wheeling this year, so like I looked up like what speeds, RPMs. People saying like second gear, 5.5k RPM, mate. I pull it, like clutch up, I shit myself. One, probably because I don't know how to like clutch up properly. But 2, I really don't want to fucking loop. Like, I loop, I'm out of work. And my bike's fucked. Yeah. And when I'm doing it, it's always on roads, isn't it? It's never on like a concealed environment. Yeah, so I can get a full cage for this. It's 200 quid stainless steel. Front and back. No, I was watching a video and the guy said he found, but he was on an XSR 900, which is the same engine and that as this. So surely it'd be the same, no? But the bike's a little bit different geometry, I don't know. Yeah. For some reason, by the way, my bike won't kill switch bang. I don't know why though. I have to give it all the best settings, mate. That was loud, isn't it? I can hear police, can you? Yeah, it's because I pressed the front brake too much. But I can hear police on your fucking Cardo. I can't hear it in person, though. Fuck it, mate. What do you mean? We just go to the front of the store, mate. We just park up at the beach. You wanted some chips, innit? I'll eat anything. You can eat me, mate.
What did he say?
Brighton Palace Pier, mate. Wait, you want to park over there? You're acting like I do. I don't know if you're allowed to park on the beachfront though, that's the thing. Follow me, follow me! Mate, what the fuck is that? Nah, there's... Oh, there's food under here. I didn't know these were here. They do fish and chips at this place, mate. Don't fuck your arsehole. Right, boys. We have arrived for the old fish and chips. So I'm going to grab some lunch and then we'll do... Maybe go up the strip. Who knows? Joking. I'm not wheeling. Oh, my bike says it's empty. Where's the nearest fuel station? Oh, yeah. Wait, do they do premium? Like 97? Mate, where are you turning left to? Oh, he's put hazards on. Right, boys, me and Shak got our little din-dins. Shak had a little fish and chips in it, mate. I'd like a chicken twister wrap which had burger sauce in, which makes no fucking sense at all. But need to get some fuel. And then we're gonna head up to, there's like some little like mountains near here. This way, mate, I think. Yeah, this way. There's some like little cliffs up that way, which I know a lot of boys go down because they're all twisty roads. So we'll probably head that way around and then join back onto the motorway. Or try and find our way home from there. Fuck it. How do you know? I used to come to car meets in this big car park. Slow down, mate. Oh, there's an S1000. Mate, that's not the entrance. Oh, mate, I want to get fuel. Oh. Where can I get fuel now? Petrol closed. Petrol? Okay.
Okay.
Cheers, mate. Oh my god, what was that turning? I don't know. I weren't moving forward. Sorry? Oh, what was that? Mate, all bikes are the same price fuel wise. Oh. What? What the hell? Oh my gaze, bro, this area's so... Right, boys, we were going to go all the way over there. Why'd you ride in front? Now to blur your plate, you're fucking... Right, £100 fine and 3 points. Boys, yeah, we were going to go up there, but... We don't actually know I think the area I'm thinking of is more like Eastbourne way. I think it's that way, but it's getting late. Shak needs to go bed. I ain't got work for the next 2 days. I'm back on shift Wednesday, so... Mate, they love you, mate. You're getting all the locals. And your plate's still flipped. Look at these boys. Little 125 riders, mate. You see the little double gun fingers I did? I bet they thought I was well cool. Very, very funny, mate. Fucking dipstick. I need to find a way, yeah, to record. You can record Cardo group chats, but it's so long to remember. I need to get like a mic set up where I can record my speaker volume. I think I would add like a good dynamic to the videos so then people actually know what you're saying. But I don't have to have you playing all the time. Like obviously I have you on a separate audio file cut in and out of. You know, oh! Did I ever update you? I got into a police... I was shitting myself. Lucky I did that right before that bump. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Ah. See you later, brother. Always, mate. What, mate? What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? See you later, brother. Bye. Bye. I will. Huh? I will. I love you, bye. Right, boys. I think I'll end the vlog there. Maybe just some nighttime riding afterwards, but nice to see Shak again. Been a while, both been busy working and that, so nice to catch up. But yeah, boys, if you like the video, leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.